stress already that surgery is just a tool towards weight loss. We know from multiple studies, from the biology and the physiology of the disease of obesity, that it also takes lifestyle modifications in order to be successful at weight loss and ultimately successful at healthy weight maintenance. One of the ways that it's so important to do this and achieve these goals is eating in a healthy way. Here at our clinic, we truly believe in more of a plant-based diet. And what this means is ultimately eating more fruits and vegetables. Multiple studies have been done looking at different countries around the world that do not struggle with obesity like we do here in the United States. Some of the regions that have been studied include the blue zones, and these would be places like Japan and Okinawa, the Mediterranean, and even a region in the United States, Loma Linda, California, where there's a high population of Seventh-day Adventists. The key here is that when you look at the different diets in these regions compared to mainstream American diets, the biggest difference is meat intake. Most Americans eat way too much meat. The bad thing about meat is that it's high in fat content, and it also has something called cholesterol in it. Now, you probably already know this, but cholesterol is the stuff that lines our arteries. It leads to high blood pressure, diabetes, heart attacks, strokes. A lot of the things that you would even consider going through weight loss surgery to prevent having to deal with in the future. And for some of you, would be going through weight loss surgery in order to cure. It doesn't make sense for your diet to contain all that cholesterol if you're going through something this major to help protect your health overall. So when it comes to eating healthy, the plant-based diet that we really try to enforce here at our clinic is more fruits and vegetables and ultimately cutting back on how much meat you eat. Now, you don't have to become vegetarian or vegan. In fact, we actually would like for you to just start trimming back on how much meat you eat. The key, though, is recognizing that all types of meat contain cholesterol. This means the chicken and the turkey that we think is better for us as well. It's not just the red meat that's bad. We do encourage people to start considering adding fish or seafood to their diet as you start weeding out some of the meat. But overall, eating in this healthy way is not only a way that's going to be best for your health overall, but it's also a way that we feel is sustainable. Because the key is food is meant to be enjoyed, and we want you to enjoy food. We just want you to start learning to enjoy the right types of food.